Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to IELTS Guide channel. Friend, today we are going to see how you can prepare for the IELTS examination in 3 weeks plan, and I am going to give you a time frame, a framework or a timetable for the 3 weeks plan to prepare for the IELTS examination. I believe that if you bound yourself in a time frame and set your goal, set the date for your IELTS examination and start preparing for a 3 weeks plan for the IELTS examination, you can easily achieve a good band score rather than preparing for without any time frame or without any timetable. It will not gonna help you, friends, to prepare for IELTS without any particular schedule or particular timetable. Just make a proper timetable. It will help you to achieve a good bands in the IELTS examination. If you follow this plan, friends, you can easily achieve 7 or 7.5 or even 8 bands. Yes, of course, it is completely depends on your ability, but 3 weeks is more than enough if you follow this plan. Then I can say that even you are non-native English speaker, then also you can at least achieve 6.5 band if you follow this plan strictly, friend. Okay, so I'm going to give you 3 weeks framework plan, and at the end of this video I am also going to give you a timetable, a proper framework to keep you yourself in a track for the IELTS exam preparation. So without any further ado, friends, let's get started. So friends, your first step is to get details about IELTS. Yes, first of all, you have to know what is IELTS, right? Everything regarding the IELTS, how many sections, what are the type of questions, what is the format, content, timing, scores, everything about IELTS. You have to first get all the knowledge regarding IELTS examination. Then only you start your 3 weeks IELTS preparation plan. So your first step is to get details about IELTS. Okay, and then you start your 3 weeks plan, and this is it, friend. So for every day you have to prepare 4 hours. You have to at least give 4 hours, 1 hour for each section. Okay friends, 1 hour for each module, like listening, reading, writing and speaking. For all the 4 modules you have to give 1 hour, means you have to 4 hour a day is must first. Okay, then use reliable practice material, friends. Okay, you can easily find out the Cambridge IELTS material on the online, or you can also buy the IELTS examination books provided by the Cambridge. So use a reliable material only, because we have 3 weeks only. We don't need to spend time on unnecessary material. Okay, so use reliable material, that is must. Then check your weak points, right? While you are preparing for the IELTS, while you are giving the test and everything, try to find out the points at which you are weak. Maybe it's a spelling or grammar or particular, or in a particular module like writing, speaking, reading, listening, particular questions like multiple choice questions, where what is your weak point. Just try to find out that. Okay, then learn from your mistake, right? What are the mistakes you are making while you are giving the test? Try to identify that mistake and try to not follow that mistake again and again. Okay, and then improve your skills, friend, and also make a framework for each day practice. This is the best thing. Without any framework, without any particular timetable, you cannot prepare for IELTS examination. Okay, so framework is must, and at the end of this video I am going to give you a proper framework to prepare for the IELTS examination. And the next is, now we will start how you can give your time for each module. Okay, so we start with IELTS listening. Okay, 1 hour a day is must, means you have to give one test every day, means it cover your 1 hour. You have to give test, it will at least cover 35 minutes. Then you have to check yourself what are the mistakes, and you have to check the answers and mark yourself. Okay, and remember one thing, friends, don't do cheating. Okay, don't cheat yourself, otherwise it will give you a worse result in the final examination result. Okay, so don't cheat. Try to learn from your mistakes. Okay, you will improve day by day. So be clear in checking the answer and mark yourself. Okay, in addition to this, friends, listen to English documentary daily for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, it will help you to improve your listening skill. Okay, and then you can listen to the things you are interested in. Right, first of all, you will feel boring if you hear the things which are quite difficult or you are not interested in. So try to listen the things which you are interested in, then step by step you can improve your listening skill. Okay, try listening both monologues and conversation between two or more persons. This is a really important task, friends. Okay, because in the IELTS listening examination there are different kinds of questions. There are four sections. In each sections there are different kind of questions and different kinds of conversations, right? You can see that in the section 4 there is a one person reading a research paper or something like that, so it is a monologue, right? And there are multiple choice questions like where the two or three or four persons are speaking with each other, talking with each other, right? So that kind of questions are asked, so you have to prepare for both kind of questions. So I suggest that for monologues you watch English news. It is best, friend. It is perfectly best and matches with the IELTS listening test. So try to watch at least 20 minutes English news. And in addition to this, if you want to improve your skills in other kind of questions like conversation between two or more people, then I suggest that you watch English movies with subtitle. Now with subtitle is really very important because it will help you to improve your reading while listening. Okay, because in the IELTS listening test you have to read the questions while you are listening the conversation, right? So it will helpful for you with to watch the movies with the subtitle. And in addition to this, if you watch the movies with subtitle, then it will also gonna help you in your in the improvement of your reading skills. Okay, so I suggest that watch English movie every day. Just take a particular time when you are not preparing for IELTS test, right? For example, you can watch the movie in the afternoon, the time when you don't feel to read or don't feel to give the test. Just try to watch the English movie. It will help you to improve your listening as well as reading. Okay, so this is the listening plan. So I think that 1 hour plus 30 to 40 minute means 1 hour and 40 minutes every day you have to spend for the listening. Okay, okay, let's move to the reading. 1 hour a day for the reading is must. One test every day means it will take 1 hour. At least actually it will take more than 1 hour because you have to also check the answers and mark yourself. And if you believe me, then if you make a mistake, if you have given a wrong answer, then try to find out again by reading or skimming and scanning the passage. It will help you to improve your reading skill. Okay, friends, and here also don't cheat yourself. Okay, then next thing is read some interesting articles every day for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, read some interesting articles every day. It will help you a lot. Try to increase reading speed while you are reading articles day by day. You will improve your reading skill, right? And try to increase the speed as much as possible. Okay, improve skimming and scanning. Try to skim and scan to find out the word from the articles that you are reading. Okay, and I suggest that you read English newspaper every day. It will help you a lot because in the reading sections they provide the article or passages from the real life situation. Means they take the they take the passages from the newspaper or magazines or the event that happened actually. So newspaper will really help you a lot. And watch movies with subtitle. Okay, and try to read subtitle because subtitle will appear and disappear so fast. So if you focus on the subtitle, then it can help you a lot to increase your reading speed as well as skimming and scanning speed. Okay, friends, so this is so for reading you have to gain 1 hour plus means for this also you have to gain 1 hour and 40 to 30 minutes every day. Okay, so let's move to the writing. For writing, friends, you have to spend an hour because you have to give a test every day. Okay, for writing task 1 20 minutes and task 2 40 minutes. So strictly follow the timing, friend. Okay, here also, and in case of reading also, strictly follow the time. You have to complete the task in 1 hour, strictly follow that. And then follow your structure for each type of question in both the task. You know that writing is all about the structure, then spelling, and then grammar. Okay, so follow your proper structure. Try to make your structure, watch the videos on the YouTube, or try to follow some structure on the examples, and set your own structure. Okay, I have already uploaded so many videos on the writing which will give you idea regarding the structure, so you can watch that videos also. And then read sample answers for improving yourself. Every day read sample answers, at least 2 to 3 sample answers for writing task 1 as well as writing task 2. Read. Okay, it's okay if you don't write 2 to 3 tasks every day, just write one task, but read 2 to 3 tasks every day for writing task 1 as well as for writing task 2. So I think that writing will take you uh, 2 hours every day. Okay, so don't uh, don't just unfollow this. Try to follow this. Try to follow the writing task, because many students face so many difficulty in writing. Okay, so be confident in writing, practice it. Okay, so next is a speaking. Okay, for speaking, practice at least an hour a day. You have to practice at least an hour a day. Then speak for about 2 minutes on a cue card. Okay, for cue, just take a cue card, and then make a cue points, then speak at least for 2 minutes on cue card. Okay, and one thing you can do is record your voice and listen to it, so that you can find out at what point you are uh, facing difficulty in speaking. Okay, so it will help you to overcome your mistakes in speaking. And one thing you can do is practice speaking on common topics with someone. You can ask your friend who is good in speaking, or anywhere. You can also find some chat mates on the internet who can know English. You can do a voice call with them, and try to practice with them. It will help you a lot. Okay, and also you can do one thing which is really important. So many students do this: stand in front of a mirror and practice for 20 minutes every day. At least 20 minutes speak in front of mirror, so it will boost your confidence level, right? Because body language is also important while you are speaking, because you are in front of a examiner. Okay, in 3 modules like listening, reading, and writing, you are not in front of an examiner, but in speaking you are in front of an examiner. So body language is also important, your facial expression is also important, your movement of hand is also important, right? It can make you a good impression. Yes, it is of course that they are not giving a marks for the impression, but it can help you a little bit more to achieve a good band, friends. Okay, so stand in front of a mirror and practice for 20 minutes. So speaking will take at least 1 hour to 1.30 hours every day. Okay, and then this is the frame. Okay friends, this is the timetable you have to follow every day. It will help you a lot. Just write the first day of first week, then write a sections like listening, reading, writing, speaking. Okay, section or module, whatever you say. Listening, reading, writing, speaking. Time is 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. Then you check yourself, give a mark yourself, and give a score yourself, right? How many bands you have gained on first day. Okay, what are the mistake? Try to note the mistake. You can even add one more row in this regarding your mistakes. Okay, and then try to overcome your mistakes, and compare everyday timetable, right? Make a day by day timetable, not prepare a timetable for 3 weeks or a 1 week. Prepare a 1 day timetable, follow this, improve yourself, match the timetable of 2-3 days, and check yourself that if you improved or not. Okay, and follow on that regards. Okay, so this will help you a lot. So while you are watching the video right now, make this timetable, then only you can follow this, otherwise you will forget again. Okay, so if you are watching this video right now, make a timetable right now. Take a pen and paper, make this timetable and start preparing for this. Okay friends, and do comment if you have any questions. So this is it for today friends. I hope this video will help you a lot, and thank you for watching the videos. If you found this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up, share with your friends, it will help for other peoples also, and do subscribe to the IELTS Guide channel. I will see you in the next video soon, and bye bye friends.